Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable notifications and the voice guide on the Sony LinkBuds. Okay, so first of all we have to open the Sony headphones. Of course I'm talking about this Sony headphones application. Next we have to switch to the system tab, scroll down, and as you can see, right now we can find this feature in this place. So if you want to turn them off, just click right like that. You can also find here the information icon. If you don't know what is going on right here and how it works, I can recommend you to turn it on. And you can also change the language. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.